you know gaslighting is a form of manipulation where someone makes another person doubt their own thoughts, memories, or perception of reality? The goal of gaslighting is to make the victim feel confused, anxious, and unable to trust themselves, which can make them easier to control. Why does gaslighting work? Gaslighting works because it targets a person's sense of reality. When someone is repeatedly told that what they remember or feel isn't true, they start to question their own mind. This creates confusion and makes them more dependent on the gaslighter for a sense of reality and truth. The gaslighter's constant denial, lying, or manipulation wears down the victim's confidence and self-esteem, making them doubt their own judgment. Here's a simple breakdown of why gaslighting is effective. Repetition, constantly repeating the same false statements or denying the truth, makes the victim start to doubt their memory and perception. Authority, the gaslighter often positions themselves as someone who knows better, making the victim trust them over their own experiences. Isolation, gaslighters may isolate their victims from others, who could validate their experiences, making them more dependent on the gaslighter's version of events. Emotional manipulation, gaslighters may use love, care, or guilt to make the victim feel bad about questioning them, making it harder for the victim to see the manipulation. Gradual process, gaslighting often starts small and builds up over time, so the victim doesn't notice the manipulation until it's already deeply affecting them. 5 examples of gaslighting. Denying events. Example, you remember having a conversation about an important decision with someone, but when you bring it up later, they insist, "We never talked about that." You're imagining things. Over time, you might start to believe that you misremembered the conversation. Twisting reality. Example, if you confront someone about a hurtful comment they made, they might say, "I never said that. You're just being too sensitive. You always overreact." This makes you question your feelings and whether the comment was actually hurtful. Forgetting or denying promises. Example, a person promises to help you with a project, but when you ask for their help later, they say, "I never agreed to that. Why are you making things up?" You start to doubt your memory and feel guilty for asking. Blaming the victim. Example, if you express being upset about their behavior, the gaslighter might respond, "You're always finding reasons to be upset. You're so dramatic." This shifts the focus away from their behavior and makes you doubt your feelings. Withholding information. Example, they intentionally leave out important details or give vague answers, then later claim, "I told you everything you needed to know. If you were confused, that's on you, not me." This tactic makes you feel inadequate or stupid for not understanding. Gaslighting is harmful because it erodes a person's trust in themselves, leading to anxiety, depression, and a loss of confidence. It's important to recognize the signs of gaslighting, to protect oneself from this form of emotional manipulation.